Are you stressed because you don't have a costume for Halloween? Well, on the show that inspires, aspires, and speaks with fire, we'll see some last-minute costume ideas that'll take you from stress to your best on our segment, Bernie Say What?
Bernie Say What? Hello and welcome to this spooky edition of Bernie Say What? And today I have special guest Parker. Parker, how you doing?
Hey, I'm doing great, Bernie. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Of course.
Today, me and Parker are going to show y'all some last-minute DIY costumes. Okay? Because I know you wondering, like, why is this girl on camera in her pajamas? well, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to let you know. For the tired moms, you know, I have something for the parents. Got to have something for the parents. For the tired moms, I have the pajamas, you know. You already going to be in your pajamas and your kid just coming and they like, hey, Mom, take me trick-or-treating. And you don't feel like getting dressed up. So you can just throw on a cute little sleeping mask, boot, some comfortable shoes, and then you're ready to roll, okay? You're going as a tired mom for Halloween, okay?
Looking good.
So now we're gonna get changed and show you what we have for our next few outfits. So for this outfit, you'll need a black top of your choice, red bottoms, yellow shoes. I have yellow sandals, but you can have any type of yellow shoe of your liking. And then you'll also need some ears. For this outfit, you'll need a K-State jersey or a jersey of your choice, and you'll also need some basketball shorts. Bonus if you got a basketball. Okay, you guessed it. Well, hopefully you guessed it. So, Minnie Mouse is what we try to do here. So we got the little ears, got the little red bottoms, got the shirt, and the little yellow sandals to symbolize her little heels. And then yeah, so we're gonna see what Parker came up with. Let's take a sneaky peek and see what he got in store for us. Okay, hopefully you guessed it.
Oh, that's right. I'm a K-State basketball player.
Okay.
Bringing out my inner Mike McGowan, Nigel Pack. Does it look like I'm ready for game day?
I think so. You know, add a little basketball on Halloween.
Oh,
Would be a little fun. Okay. Okay, now we gonna see. You got one more?
I do.
I got one more too. Let's see who we come up with. For this outfit, you'll need a white button-down shirt. Bonus if you have a blazer to look all that more professional. Plus, it'd be cold on Halloween, so it might help with the shivers. And then you'll need a black pencil skirt, and you'll need some heels or flats of your choice, you know. Y'all want to be walking with your heels on. And then you'll also need some glasses. That's the bonus item. For this outfit, you'll need a tutu of any colors. The more colors, the better. A white top and some white tights or white ruffle socks.
All right, you guessed it. I'm a ballerina with my colorful tutu. Don't you think I look ready for the dance pageant? I think so too. You could do this as well. It's not that hard. I mean, you'll get a laughter for sure. A guy dressed as a ballerina, who wouldn't want to see that? And we have Bernie coming up with her costume.
Yes, I'm just finishing my last minute adjustments here. Let's see. Okay, so hopefully you guessed it that I'm a teacher. Okay, and you can add your glasses for some stylish looks, you know. Give a little bang bang, just make sure they're not prescription. They mess up your eyes. I do have on heels, but you know, you ain't gonna want on heels when you're doing the trick-or-treating, okay? That's a lot of walking. We don't want that. But cute little flats are also tie this look together. And if you don't want to wear your glasses all night, boop, pop them in the shirt, like so. And you still look like a teacher. Add a book, add an apple. I don't know if you want to carry an apple either, but you have a little bag, you can carry that around in there, a little teacher's pet, you know? But yeah, so that's it for this Bernie Say What segment. Thank you again for joining me, Parker.
Thank you, Bernie.
Coming out of your costume.
Right.
But yes, join me back next week, and we'll come with some more fun things on Bernie Say What.
Happy Halloween.